Welcome friends. Today I'm gonna show you a brand new AI. Let's get into it. This AI name is Image Creator. IMGCREATOR. Okay. Now the amazing thing in this AI is it can swap things. Let me show you. Let me show you. Swap anything. It can swap anything. Just go here, wait for a few seconds, and you will see what I'm doing. Like this photo. Okay, it's processing. Now, if I want this t-shirt to be in dark red color, can I do it? Yes. Just click here and turn this shirt in dark red. Okay, you just need to type and it will do it for you. Like you have your own pic. Now you want your background, your t-shirt, your face in whole another color. It will do it for you. You see, dark red color. Now, if you want anything, it can also create images for you. Like this show you. Like and king on a big chair. Create and it will generate a pic for you. Just see. You can follow me and like the video if you like my explanation. I'm kinda new, so I don't know. You see, it's good. It can do many more things. Like it can also create pics like an elephant on a car. Here. Now see. You see an elephant on a car. It can do anything you want. It's called AI. Thanks for watching.